If lemon water alone burned fat, India would have zero obesity. Most home remedies don't fail, they're just used the wrong way. Today I'll show you the best home remedies for weight loss that actually work with your body. Welcome to Flip Fit Yourself. No magic drinks, no fake detoxes, just simple home habits backed by science. Warm water doesn't burn fat, but it wakes up digestion. Drink 1 to 2 glasses on waking. Add nothing or just a pinch of salt. Avoid chugging lemon honey daily. This sets appetite and hydration, not fat burning. Lemon helps digestion, not weight loss directly. Use with meals. Improves iron absorption. Reduces bloating. Lemon supports the system. It doesn't melt fat. Jeera helps insulin sensitivity and gut health. Soak overnight. Drink in the morning. Best for belly bloating. This helps fat loss indirectly by improving digestion. Green tea boosts fat oxidation, but timing matters. Between meals, not empty stomach. 1 to 2 cups max. More is not better. Eat slowly. Use smaller plates. Add protein to Indian meals. Stop late-night snacking. These habits do more than any drink. Skip these myths. Apple cider vinegar shots. Starving detox drinks. Fat-burning powders. If it sounds extreme, it won't last. Home remedies don't cause weight loss. Consistency does. If you want realistic fat loss without confusion, like and subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself. Comment home if you want a 7-day natural fat loss routine.